Hello, good people. We are back at the good old Dollar General. It's Saturday and we need to take advantage of the $5 off, $25 purchase digital coupon. After all, it's only good for Saturday. We will also take advantage of 2 items on sale and stack those savings with our other digital coupons. The coffee is already on sale too for $9 and we have 3 digital coupons we can use, so let's get 4.
Had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and then she could laugh of a little lies to tell yourself it. Die.